Hi guys, how are you? So we are back again and this is the month of February. So we have a couple of boxes that I got today, actually two, but we're gonna start with the first one. And basically is the BeautyFix. I know many of you guys like things that are for, not only makeup but also skincare. And this one is actually one of those boxes that has a lot of skincare products and it's a monthly box. So if you're interested in seeing what the box comes with, keep on watching. I will open and swatch as much as I can because some of the products are unswatchable. So I will let you know what I think about the box as well. And this is a $26.45 monthly box. So it's $26.45 and it's for shipping and handling like $1.50. So the actual box is $24.95. So let's get into unboxing. So let's see. Is this gonna open? Today I'm having no luck with opening things. It's like super stuck. I feel like I'm gonna end up like tearing the whole box apart because it doesn't open. Whoa! That was some arm strength. Okay, so we open it. And it says right there, skin and hair, health begins here. And let's see, we have the little card that tells you what it brings. We're gonna put that on the side. The only bad part is that we don't have the prices for this. So some of them come full size, some of them are sample size, but many people like it. I like it. I'm not that into skincare as I should be because I'm already 30, so you know what they say about 30. You have to start prepping your skin since you're like 20 something. So the first thing that I'm going to get out is this one is La Roche-Posay Laboratory Dermatology for normal to dry skin Lipicat Lotion. Daily Repair Moisturizing Lotion. Dermatology tested, fragrance free, and it's 15 milliliters. So this might sometimes like for face lotions, it could be full size 50 milliliters. You never know. So let's see if I can swatch it, if it doesn't come close. Actually, I can see it through and most of it feels heavy, but there's like a huge air bubble in the middle, like huge. And yeah, it doesn't have any seal. Let's see if it's kind of like on the shiny side. Has no smell at all. But look at that. You guys can tell that it leaves like a shiny residue, like an oily residue on the hand. And you can compare with my other hand. You can see the oiliness to it. So let's see. I have oily skin, so I might not be able to use it. But we will see. And then we will see what this is for and when to apply. So let's put that on the side and open the next thing. We have something that I think I have gotten before. I'm not sure. I don't even think that I might have used it. This is from Mana Kadar Beauty Simplify Glow Illuminator. And this is step 3 perfect in 20 milliliters. And this does seem like a full size. It's like 20 milliliters as an incidence liquid that lights up skin with oil over radiance. Mix with foundation or wear alone. Great for all skin types to provide natural glow. Nice. Let's see. Next thing. This one is Root Lifting Spray. Horsetail. With horsetail extracts for volume, lift, and shine. It's 2 fluid ounces, and I guess this is like you put it on the root and it lifts lightly the root area. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I like the bottle, how nice the color is, and it feels like the liquid inside is the same color because the bottle itself is not light blue, so the liquid might be. And it smells like acetone. Oof, this is so strong. How do you put that on your hair? That's horrible. It says ingredients, alcohol, the nat. So yes, water, vinyl, other things that I cannot pronounce, but way, like it feels like I'm going to remove my nail polish with this. I don't know if I'm gonna apply this on my hair, but yeah, I'm gonna read about it before applying anything on my hair. This one is Retinix All Trans Retinol 3 times, Retinol 4 Treatment Serum, Time Release Delivery System, 90% green tea polyphenols, and it's 0.35 ounces, so 10 grams. This is like a very small sample. And I'm pretty sure that my mom will love that one. It says it shows baseline, and then it shows 6 weeks. I don't really see any difference in these pictures. I mean, I might be wrong. I do see a difference on the eye picture. You guys can see that. Like the eye, this is the baseline, and that one is how it actually ends up. It does look like very little, but on the top picture I cannot tell the difference. Maybe the redness, I mean, does it takes away the redness? It says all trans retinol helps to increase cell turnover, support health collagen production, and brighten areas of hyperpigmentation. So yes, it does remove like darkness to the skin. Retinol 4 pairs an efficient delivery system with soothing green tea to provide the effectiveness of retinoid without the irritation. That's nice. So it stabilizes, maintains potency, protects and minimizes oxidation on skin, time release, continuous targeted delivery. And so that's pretty good. There's more information, and we're gonna see more in a little bit. But that's pretty nice. Let's see how big this thing is, because you know, it might be like just a little sample. I cannot really see through it, but it doesn't feel like it has anything. But you know, a little sample, you know, is better than nothing. Let's see. Ooh, let's see what this is. Lift and Plump Sheet Mask. Nice. Vegan Stem Cell Complex. I like this. You know, I like sheet mask. It's hassle free, you know. You don't have to peel anything. So that's awesome. Then we have this thing. It says Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So nice. So this is a tonic from Radiance, 50 milliliters. So it doesn't seem bad. Like, it's a nice sample. And let's see the smell, if it's open. Maybe I can put a drop. It smells good. It smells like a citrusy, kind of like those I cannot really remember the names of this. The cuties, like the cuties. It smells the same. Citrus is like the cuties. And then let's see if there's anything else. Yep, one more. We have the Lanolin Rich Nail Conditioner. Ugh. So yes, I mean, this was like whatever. This is one of the products that I'm like, should I never use it. I know for sure. But we're gonna have to try it. I mean, this smells very bad. It smells like that thing that you put on your feet, but it smells like, I don't know, rancid, weird. Lanolin Rich Nail Conditioner. Isn't lanolin the thing that you put on your breast when you're breastfeeding? I don't know. It sounds familiar. Helps prevent and protect against dry, brittle nails and cracked cuticles. So let's go ahead and try it, because I mean, I know it smells horrible. I might have to wash it off. But let's see. It's very, it has the same similar texture, very like thick, kind of like minty feeling to it. I'm just gonna put it on my nails and see. Seems like very sticky. I will show you guys what I mean. Like a little goes a long way, I guess. So I applied it on my fingers, but you see how like it's so like thick. Like I don't know if it should be like this, like a little like that, and I probably can pass it through like all my nails. So yeah, let's just leave it in the nails, see how it goes while we read. Okay, there we go. So I applied it all the nails, and whew, and that flew on my lap. Thank God Leia wasn't sitting on me. So let's put everything there back and read this little thing. So this one, let's see. Okay, so it starts here. Red carpet ready. So ballots are in and red carpet season is full swing. You know the biggest questions you will be asked are, what is she using? How do I get my hands on it? Luckily, our brand's experts curated this box with the glam tricks and hits starlets use behind the scenes so that you can steal the spotlight this season. So the first thing that they talk about is this one, the Lancer Skincare Lift and Plump Sheet Mask. It's a single one, and it says, even wonder how your favorite glam shows up with the show looking completely refreshed and renewed? The secret is the mask from premier Beverly Hills dermatologist to the stars Dr. Lancer. Apple stem cell coupled with hyaluronic acid visibly tones, light, tightens, and firms your skin. Use it before your next event to turn heads. So, I mean, I don't know what event I have coming up, but maybe I find one. The next thing we have is the Mana Kadar Cosmetics Glow Illuminator. Makeup can do amazing things, but as the experts tell us, it all starts with a glowing base. This all-over highlighter illuminates your skin for your inevitable radiating from between complex. Plus, it works beautiful when mixed with your foundation. Nice. So then we have the Ellen, which is this one. The one that I applied on my nails. It feels like it's still there. Ugh, it just smells it. Perfectly manicured set of nails looks amazing on and off screen. At times, as time wears on with filling and great gel treatment. It's important to give your mani the same TLC you give your skin. This conditioner formula helps prevent cracking, splitting, and other not so camera-friendly nail concerns. I'm sure by now all the stars in Hollywood are wearing like fake nails, because I mean, you cannot control if you're like, you know, very excited or like very nervous to put your fingers in your mouth, and then you know what happens. So then the other side says Nick Chavez, which is this one, the one that smells like acetone. Hopefully it's good for my hair. I just don't want to put it. So this one is ready to be main attraction on your view party. It starts with a helpful lift from styling spray. Horsetail extracts and volumizing ingredients add instant height and drama to your hair. The upshot, a style even your favorite starlet will want to emulate. So this one is the next product, and they say that this is new. Ready Set Glam Daily HA Tonic. What's trending in your award season gifting suits? Popular potential natural skincare cocktail to alleviate fine lines, acne, and visible pores. This newcomer breathes new life to your complexion. Use day and night for the skin to be renewed, refreshed, and totally red carpet ready. And I'm gonna be using all this samples soon so that you guys like, you know, get familiarized. I'm just going to, I mean, I have so many samples that I have tried, but I've been keeping up with some of them, so you're gonna see more videos on reviewing products. As noted, if you haven't seen the two of the videos that I already did with like a face mask and like a sugar scrub, you will see them in the list of the videos that I do. So if you want to keep on watching, please subscribe, and we're gonna have a lot more videos. So the next thing is Replenix, and which is not that one, this one. That one, and this one is Botox in a bottle without even having to visit the derm's office. A retinol treatment is a go-to aid blisters and film fans alike. This potent formula features a powerful combination of antioxidants and caffeine so that your skin may be protected and renewed all at once. And I'm gonna have to use that one on this bad boy there that I keep on doing. I do that with my eyebrows and it makes me have like a frown line there. But whatever. We have to have it, right? La Roche-Posay, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, is this one. And basically this one, it says your last moisturizing step may be the most important when it comes to red carpet complexion. This one not only nourishes winter skin but brings this forth a soft silky texture that will help you glow throughout the season. So the funny part is that Florida never gets a winter, so it's like day is cold and the next day is hot. We have had so many hot days lately, but then at night sometimes it goes really cold, so you never know what to expect. And yes, I didn't notice anything weird with my skin, but that's just me. You probably, if you live in another state and you do have a lot of cold, then yeah, you have to do moisturizing all the way. And bye guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you keep on watching, and I love every comment. So if you have any comments or want to leave any comments, just leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and bye guys, enjoy your night.